How to add more pages in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way that you can add the more pages. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs page, and you can see I have 5 pages here. Okay, so if you want more blank page at end, you can simply add by clicking the end of the page of last page, end of the last page, and just hit the enter. Then next page will be automatically insert like this. Okay, but if you want page from at starting or between the two page, you can simply do one thing. Just keep the cursor on starting on first page, go to the insert, go to the break page, and click on page break. Then blank page will be inserted on your starting. If you want to add between page between the two page, then just click the second page on starting, and go to the insert, go to the page break, and click on page break. The page will be insert between the two page like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.